Welcome back to the channel and to our latest car. This time we got the Fiat 500 Lounge. It's a February 2016 model, 1.2 petrol, 5-speed manual, and it is a Cat N registered car. It only has 2 previous keepers and has only covered 35,888 miles. The car is finished in Rosso Rubino red. It has an MOT through till the 1st of March 2025 and it's only £20 a year to tax. It has such things as a touchscreen stereo, air conditioning, power steering, electric windows and central locking. If you've got any questions on the car, please leave a comment below, or you can contact me on c96rebuilds@gmail.com. But if you continue watching now, we've got some extra footage of the car being rebuilt. Thought we'd just come into the car here for the video for a little bit. So we can see now that the actual crash bar has gone in, damage to the condenser, radiator, also the lower crash bar is broken off, so we need a complete front framework right round. Get a replacement one of those. We'll have a second-hand radiator and a new condenser. The tabs you can see there come off from the driver's side headlight is okay, but the actual passenger side headlight is actually cracked, so we'll need to replace that headlight as well. So with a bumper, we'll find a replacement bumper for it, and also the bonnet needs replacing. Wings, both in good condition, no marks on there. The one thing that is gone wrong here, you can see the windscreen has a crack. You can see it going from there. You can see it just travelling up there, so we'll have a new windscreen fitted next week as well. And this wing, again, wing's all in good condition. So we'll carry on, we'll drain the water system, and there's no gas left in the air conditioning at all. We've already checked that, so we can just drain the water and then we'll try and get the front off. Also looking there that we need a new airbox. So we'll go back to the time lapse and see what we can find. So there we are, we've gone as far as we can go now. We've stripped it right back. All the damaged parts have now been removed, so everything else we can see on here is all good. All straight, no problem there. So the parts that we need to be looking for now, we need a new lower crash bar, a new airbox, that's that. You can see that the rad is all twisted and bent in. If we look from the other side, there is the fan is broken on the casing as well, so we need a new fan, rad and condenser. We need the new lower crash bar from that one there, we need the new upper crash bar there, and you can see the damage there from the rad support. So these are all the new parts we need, along with the new front bumper, a new bonnet and the windscreen to be replaced. And then while we're at it, we'll also be doing a full service and just checking the fronts, brakes and stuff. It's going to need some new pads, and I want to change the 2 front tyres and get the tracking set again. So that's all we can do for now, but we'll catch you up as soon as we've got some parts, and then we'll crack on with the rebuild. Okay, so we've managed to pick up a new front end, which is the rad surround, condenser, radiator, fan, all as one unit. It's got the crash bar for the top, crash bar for the bottom. While we're at it now, we've got new air filter, oil filter, new brake pads, spark plugs. We found the air box that we were looking for, oil and cleaner. So we've also just had the windscreen replaced. So new windscreen is replaced already. So all we got to do now is get all those bits onto there. So let's carry on.
There we are, car's fully repaired, it's ready for paint, so do keep an eye out for the update video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.